Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you guys a quick easy way of making African breadfruit, which is popularly known as okwa. So if you're interested in watching, come right with me. So to make this dish, you'll be needing some pepper, seasoning cubes, the scent leaf, which is known as nchuanwu. Then next to it is edible potash, known as akau. Then we'll have the palm oil and the dry fish. Salt. Then next is the chief officer of the day, which is the breadfruit, and this is dry one. As you can see, if you're making use of the dry one, it's advisable to soak it overnight to help soften it, but then if you have a pressure pot, you can still make use of it. So I'll be going ahead to wash the okra, and I'll wash until the water runs clear. Then I will soak and set it aside for some minutes. In case you're watching for the first time, you're welcome here. I'm Jennifer and I make videos on tutorials, reviews, lifestyle vlogs. Then recently I added motherhood to my channel. Help me please click the button that says subscribe and click the bell notification, the one with all, so you could be the first to get notified when I post new videos. Thank you. So since the okra is neatly washed, I go ahead to adding water into the potash and let it dissolve. I set it aside and top up water inside the okra, then slowly add in the already dissolved potash into it. I let it to cook for at least 20 to 25 minutes. So while the okra is cooking, I'll go ahead to prep the rest of my ingredients, and as you can see here, I'm chopping off the pepper, and after that I go ahead to wash the fish. Make sure to add in hot water inside your fish and allow it to soften before deboning. When cooking okra, do you know you could still not use any ingredients and cook it along with water, and it will definitely still come out very nice. That is how yumptious this very meal is. If you haven't tested it before, I just wonder what you're missing. Try it out. So after 20 minutes, I went back to check our okra, and this is what it looks like. Of course, I tested it and checked, and it's about 80% done. Then I went ahead to add in the rest of the ingredients needed. Who else have ever noticed that okra easily doesn't come by in an occasion? Any occasion whereby you see okra, just know that definitely is going to be served to the prominent friends. Who have ever noticed this? Let me know in the comment section. So I'm going to set this aside and let it cook for at least 5 to 7 minutes. Then I'll come back to it. So you guys, here is our okra. Like, oh goodness, can you see the bubbling colors and everything? Some people at times don't really like their okras maybe to have much oil in it. If you're in such category, you can definitely go ahead and add any amount of palm oil you want. But as for me, I love my okra with enough oil. Just look at that. Look at that delicacy. Yumptious. I wish you're close by here. You could have just tested this. Anyways, I'll go ahead to serve this for dinner. And then for those that are outside Nigeria, definitely I'm very sure in all African markets close to you, definitely you would surely find okra. So in case if you're missing on this delicacy, do go try that. And this is the end of our cooking for today. See you guys in the next video, and please don't forget to like, subscribe. I need your comments in the comment sections, and then see you. Bye.